Alright, so today we are going to look at the printers and scanners settings options. So here you can see the first thing is you're going to see a list of all the currently connected printers and scanners on your computer. And then again at the bottom you have the same as the Bluetooth and device settings, the metered connection setting. Ideally recommended unless you really need to, just go and keep those options unchecked unless you know you have the available data to download or unlimited data. Also, by default, Windows will have it checked to have Windows manage your default printer. Go ahead and leave that there unless there's a different printer you want, and you can easily set that. So what you can see here, so you click on the printer, you'll be able to kind of manage from here. Unfortunately, on my computer, for whatever reason, it doesn't want to do so. But it can be done. For now, it is recommended to go ahead and continue to use the control panel for managing the printer. So what you can see here is you'll have the options. So say you want to see what's printing, you can open the print queue, and that might be something you commonly will use a lot, especially if you're trying to print something and something gets stuck. You definitely want to come to the print queue, and if there was a document here, you could right click and then you can try and cancel it and clear it. And the other thing you can do is you can look at the printing preferences for the printer. And this will go through in more detail in a future video because there are several options here that will be important to know, and also show you an example of what happens when you print, how you can also set these options on a per print basis for an individual document as well. And then you also have the print server properties, which we'll cover in that same future video as well. This is a little more advanced settings at this point, so you probably look for that in a more of an advanced topic video. And you'll be able to do the same for all the other printers. So to note, there are a few printer objects here that you will see as default here in Windows, specifically like if you have Office installed, you have the OneNote. The XPS is usually always going to be here. On Windows 10, they offer a Microsoft Print to PDF option, so you can basically, it's a virtual printer where you can print anything into a PDF document. So say you want to print a web page, well, you can easily convert that to PDF. And again, that's also in the same place we looked earlier, where you see all your devices here, devices and printers under control panel. So that is it for this video. Again, please do, if you have questions, comments, respond to the video survey. Thank you.